Hello friends, in the League of Learning, this is IndianShareTips.com and we are here to tell you about the fact that whether investor makes more money or trader makes more money. There is a myth in the market that traders do not make money in the market, and we are going to debunk that myth with mathematical example with proof. As we can see that investor comes in the market with a long term view and trader comes in the market with the short term view. Short term view can be as short as a day itself. Investor is looking at the capital appreciation and trader is looking at income, which can be short term income or intraday income. Most of the stock market traders believe that investors generally generate the real wealth, whereas traders lose money eventually. Just remember that if you use a system properly, the vice versa is true and you can beat the investors hands down. Let's say that as an investor you invest 1 lakh rupee at the end are able to generate a return of 20% per annum and with a monthly contribution of 5,000 rupees, and same amount for trader also, who is only expecting 3% per month, which is very small return, but when seen over a period of time will compound to a great extent. So let's have a look at the example. So initial investment of the investor is 1 lakh, monthly contribution in form of SIP is 5,000 rupees, duration is 10 years, estimated interest rate is 20%. So final capital he gets is 23 lakhs 19,467, which is a total profit of 16 lakh 19,467 rupees. Okay, so keep this figure in mind and let's go to the trader figure. Trader with the same capital and 3% interest rate is able to generate a capital of close to 90 lakh and total profit of his works out approximately 83 lakh rupees. So total effective annual rate is 43%. So a trader can make more than double of what investor does in the same time horizon with a very conservative returns of 3% per month. 3% per month is a very nominal return which we are expecting for the traders. Why a trader is able to make more money than an investor? Trader is able to benefit from monthly compounding / weekly too, against an investor who mostly benefits in the long term. A trader can adjust his strategies dynamically. He can short sell, do intraday trades or trade in F&O markets to achieve a 3% return per month, while the average return of investor vary from 12 to 25% per annum. A trader is relatively immune to overnight risk or black swan events like it happened coronavirus event. Long-term investors were in a fix, their portfolios were down more than 50%. So this was a black swan event which sucked the investors. So as we have seen mathematically, traders can make more money than investors, and don't get disheartened by what gossip is going in the market. You can become a trader in stock market with a small capital as small as 5,000 rupee by using the Bank Nifty options. Bank Nifty option, at times you can buy one lot with even a smaller capital of less than 5,000 rupees. However, as a caution, always make use of a financial advisor because Bank Nifty option is a relatively volatile index. It can give you phenomenally large profit, 30% up or up to even 50%, and sometimes even 100 to 200% in a single day. So as a trader, if you have lesser capital, you have a higher chance of beating the investor hands down by making use of the Bank Nifty option. And we can proudly say that we have been voted as best Bank Nifty option tips providers in India, and you can find the link in the description box. If you like our video, please remember to share it with your friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to the channel and gives it a thumbs up. Thank you.